Alright, today's video is going to be really exciting. Today is going to be a first exclusive look at Intel's 13th generation motherboard. This is the MSI MAG Z790 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. This is the DDR4 version, and it's going to be the first overview and unboxing in India. And in this video, let's take a look at what's new and what's this motherboard looking like. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so starting off with the unboxing of the motherboard itself, you've got the motherboard on top, and later on you have a pen drive from MSI and your Wi-Fi antennas and all the cables and screws you'll need to get your PC build done. Now with that out of the way, let's talk about the motherboard itself and the design and build quality. This motherboard, even though it's from the Tomahawk series, it looks really nice. The heatsink, the VRM cooling, as well as the heatsink for the SSDs and the chipset, it is really good. This looks really classy in the black color, and it's tastefully done in my opinion. There's a lot of thought and effort that goes into these designs, and the build quality of the motherboard, of course, like every time, is going to be really good. MSI is going to be using the best materials possible, and yeah, the motherboard's got some weight to it. Talking about the features on this one, you've got DDR4 support on this motherboard, but there are going to be other motherboards from MSI and other brands that will have DDR5 support. This is a good thing with Intel's 13th generation, that it still works with DDR4 memory, and you can also use DDR5 to get some extra performance. Now talking about the other features, you've got quadruple M.2 slots on this one, so 4 fast storage slots, and one of them is going to be your Lightning Gen 5 slot. So you can use the fastest SSDs in the market right now, and that is going to be giving you a speed of up to 128 gigabytes per second. That's a really good speed in my opinion. There is not really any SSD in the market that can use it, but again, you have the feature here. Another highlight on this motherboard is the 2 USB Type-C ports on the back, and those are going to be giving you the 20G speed, so 20 gigabits per second, which is really useful if you're transferring a lot of files, if you're transferring big files every day for content creators, especially when you're shooting these huge videos. It really helps out. Those 2 USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports on the back are helpful. Other than that, you've got Wi-Fi 6E and support for 6 GHz spectrum as well as Bluetooth 5.2. And talking about the audio boost technology, that gives you 128 decibels, 32-bit, 384 kilohertz audio. That is going to be really high quality audio, so you can connect some high-end headphones like studio monitors and stuff, and this motherboard will be able to power it. And talking about power, there is a new aggressive power design on this one, so 16+1+1 dual power rail design with 90 amp smart power stages. And as I said, you've got 4 slots for your DDR4 memory, but you can also use DDR5 on the other models that support DDR5. And other than that, this is a really nice motherboard which is going to be able to support your high-end Intel 13th Gen core processors, so your i7s, your i9s, and is going to be able to keep the CPU stable. You can also try some overclocking if you want to, and that's the beauty of Z790. There's going to be other motherboards that are going to be more affordable from Intel down the line. We'll check them out once they come out, but this is the flagship board for Intel in this year, the Z790 series. And following up on the design and build quality, the motherboard is made out of a server grade PCB, so it's got a thicker design and just feels heavier, feels better in the hand, and also it's a really nice build quality. You've also got 2.5G LAN on the back, so you're gonna get the best Ethernet speeds possible, and you also have this extended PCB design here which looks good and also will help in cooling. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this first exclusive look and unboxing of MSI's MAG Z790 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. But with that being said, my name has been Yusuf. You guys have been awesome. Stay awesome, keep smiling, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp. Make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.